Hello everyone, we are here in a 3 BHK in SJR Plaza City, owned by Priyanshi and Salil. These are the clients who are very keen on their interiors. They had a beautiful taste. They wanted the walls to be very light enough, pretty colors, lively abode, and a lot of use of glass, mirrors and beautiful lights. So concluding everything, we went for something called as Art Deco. We also included wooden finishes, glossy finishes, and this is how we started the work. Starting with the foyer, we did something different, like we ditched the sit-out space and we went for geometric patterns, which is a very important part of an Art Deco theme. We went for symmetrical shoe storages, and then we were these are CNC jali cut with Duco painted and hand-working pedestals. The TV unit is very interestingly placed, as in it's not very heavy, it's not very cluttered. It has a very sleek glass acrylic drawer with a shelf, and then it has floor to ceiling mandir, the same amalgamation of the jali in the shoe rack. It has vertical mirrors, those are brown mirrors, same pairing with the vertical mirrors on the left hand side. The vibrant royal blue color of the sofa and the light grey colored ottoman enhances the look of the room, making it energetic. Abandoning the dining table and blending with the theme, we have glossy wooden jhula with artificial grass laid underneath. The geometric blue colored wallpaper is embraced within light wall colored wall trims. Mirror being an important part of the theme, we have used in the ceiling too. It gives a nice reflection of the light. A lot of effort has been put from the client's end in choosing the right kind of light for their house. The property has an open kitchen. To barricade it, we have a serving counter. It has open hollow units and it has mirror backing with wine glass holders. We have changed the dado tiles, have used a combination of wall units, shelves, glass units and lofts. We have combined the utility along with the kitchen. The countertop is white quartz with grey quartz sink. We have used glass acrylic and have combined it with a matte finish wooden laminate.
Hi, I'm Priyanshi. He's Salil. This is our house in SJR Plaza City, designed by Shutters Design. Our designer Itisha, she's a very resourceful, talented and a very experienced architect. She was able to understand our requirement very clearly, and then she was able to translate it into reality very well. And overall, we are really happy with the output that we have got in our house.
The multi-purpose room is very well planned according to the size. The wardrobes, the window seatings, the study table, everything is connected to each other, and yet we have space for free movement. The wardrobe has extended loft considering the requirement of storage.
So we wanted a theme in our house which should be very simple, elegant, yet it should have some unique elements in every corner. Be it glass work on the false ceilings, handleless drawers and in the wardrobes and in the shelves, or be it a whole puja unit which doesn't look like a puja unit but functions accordingly.
The parents' room has a sliding wardrobe, queen-size bed and some beautiful lights. Wall lights and wall shelves leave no wall overlooked. We have put parallel grooves in both the shutters and again going with the wooden glossy finishes. Owing to the theme, the room is made in wooden shades, mirrors and glass. The bed has a high bed back using fabric in patterns with wooden laminate in intervals. The entire wardrobe is floor to ceiling in glass and pattern printed wallpaper. The two big mirrors with panelled walls ditches the age-old dressing table. The vanity unit inside the wardrobe works out all. We have put a strip light in the false ceiling, dropping light to the royal bed.
The delivery of the project was very much on time, and the team has helped us in after sales service also whenever needed. So Itisha and the team is just a call away. We wish a lot of luck to the Shutters Design and the team. Thank you.